Let's see how it goes. Put the lard into the rice cooker. Out. The pot is made with lard, which you've never seen before. The recipe is simple, you only need to watch it once. If you can easily learn how to make goose fat, then we'll choose this type of pig. Pork back fat has a high oil yield and the rendered pork fat is quite fragrant. Let's cut it like this first, you see? Whether lard looks pretty or not is a matter of opinion. Now, all the oil in our house is used to make this lard, whether it's me or her. Our family, both the elderly and children, all like it. Enjoy eating this lard. They're giving him chunks of lard now. After you've chopped it, remember, never render it directly like that. Otherwise, the rendered lard will not only flavor heavy and it's damage. It's quite expensive. Next, I'll teach you a little trick. First, prepare a pot of cold water, remember that? Make sure to use cold water, then put all the lard into the pot with cold water. This method. To make lard without any fishy smell, here's a simple trick. Like me, using a spoon to wipe the bowl. Drizzle a little high-proof lard over it. The rendered lard will be especially fragrant. There was no fishy smell at all. Our goose fat. Remember this, never boil the water. Well, that would mean too much lard wasted. What they said is almost right. When there are many, we just scoop them up like this. Then we give. He used. Wash it with warm water. Remember, this lard must be washed with warm water. Never use cold water to wash. Washing with cold water won't remove the fishy smell. After that, we took it out and drained the water from this pig. After draining the oil and excess water, like this, we can pour it directly into the rice cooker. Next, we'll give the scallions, ginger, and Sichuan peppercorns that we prepared beforehand. Adding scallions, ginger, and Sichuan peppercorns to it helps to remove fishy smells and enhance the aroma. Next, we add a bowl of water to this bowl, and then we put the lid on and press the main button. Quiet. Quiet. Just wait, brother. Sisters, I share my cooking experiences and tips here every day. If this helps you with your cooking even a little bit, could you please give me a thumbs up? Leave a like and follow. Let me give you some encouragement and support. Look, my little sister has updated dozens of works without me even realizing it. If we talk about joy. It's okay if you like to eat but don't know how to cook. Yes, you can check out my sister's profile. Since he couldn't find his younger sister, he decided to follow her on social media for future convenience. Can you find me? Here, thank you everyone. We open the lid to take a look at what you saw halfway through. At this stage, the oil hasn't been rendered yet, it's just the water inside. We dried up. Find a spoon and stir it like this so that it heats evenly. Otherwise, it will easily stick to the bottom of the pot. After stirring evenly, we then cover the pot. Let's cover it for a while and then check how well it's cooked. Is it white? Is it fragrant? It's time, let's open the lid and take a look. The oil is ready, take a look. This oil is clear. I'm not sure, but during the cooking process, the rice cooker malfunctioned a little. It's okay if the gas stove sometimes overcooks or fries things. It jumps once, you press it once, it jumps twice. Press twice, skip 3 times, press 3 times until the lard is rendered. Next, let's scoop out the oil residue. Don't throw away those pork cracklings. You can use them to stew a dish or stir-fry some bok choy. Oh, it's so delicious, wow, look. The rendered lard is so good you can even see it at the bottom of the pot. Clear. You just need to follow my method. A rice cooker can easily make lard that is exceptionally white and clean. We first need to prepare a container of incense. Then pour a little soybean into the container. We used a little less salt, this will extend its shelf life and also absorb any impurities. At this point, we use the lard like this. After filtering it with a strainer and pouring it all in, we'll put it here tomorrow. Let's take a look. How effective. We put this lard in. It's been a whole night, guys and girls, don't you think it looks pretty? Does it make you hungry? If 100 is the maximum score, how many points would you give your little sister if you liked her in the future? If you eat lard using this method, you'll get 10 times the benefit. Note, I never mess up my cooking.